morning, guys. Today I already wake up at 6:30. Right now it's 7:30. This place called Must Look. So this village looks very beautiful. This is a house. I'll show you. This is a house we are staying in. On the rooftop, it's fantastic. Whole family we sleep in the rooftop. It's really nice. Next 7 days to 10 days I'm going to be staying here. A lot of things going to happen because they have a fiesta over here. That's going to be mind blowing. Slowly, I'm going to learn each and everybody over here. I'm going to be friends with this whole village. That's the whole idea. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I meet some gentlemen over here. They are into pinball gun. Really very interesting.
Yeah, we're from Philippines.
Okay, say your names.
Joren.
How about you?
Lonsoy.
Sigh a little bit.
Yeah.
How about you?
His name is Lonsoy and my name is Jan.
Jan.
Yeah.
Okay.
My name is James.
James. How about you? Say your name.
Carlita.
Come here. Come here. What's your name? Come here. What's your name?
Romulo.
Huh? Romulo? Little bit shy over here, Romulo. Okay. He's a very good jumper. That's all I know. He's a very good. Wow, that's nice. That is nice. Wow. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to the YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. 3, go! Okay, that's good. When the kids jump like that, really I want to jump also. I'm controlling myself because 8:30 we are going somewhere else. But still, it's very tempting in the morning when you see this kind of beautiful location. You couldn't jump and you're still sitting in the outside. It's very hard to control yourself. Look how beautiful the place it is. Seriously, beautiful location. I highly recommend for everyone, come over here and swim and relax because you have a shelter. You can choose this place as a picnic spot. See how the kids are enjoying very much. And you have a beautiful view with the hut over there. Okay, bye-bye. So we make some friends. Look at the water, how so clear. Very clear water. And this is the way I came in. The house right there, almost like around 200 meter. Look at the mountain area. Seriously beautiful. And you have a hut, so which is convenient and brilliant idea. So you have to come in the morning. It's high tide. You have a lot of water in front. It looks like a dream come true. Only in the movies I saw this kind of view. Look at the clouds. Seriously beautiful. Probably today or tomorrow I'm going to jump in this place. It's a nice spot for family bonding and everything. Should come over here. Get some local taste. How about that? Beautiful.
Hello guys.
Hi.
You guys.
Nice. Totally nice. Since 8:30 I'm going to a different place. I'm not swimming right now. I'm just walking away. Hi. Everywhere. It's happy people. This is why I love about Philippines. Such a beautiful morning, beautiful vibe. Look at the kids are having fun over there. They're having fun over there. Splash water. Okay, they are having fun. I'm really glad came this far. The fiesta in 2-3 days. So currently we are going to Tacloban city. We are going to do some purchase. Right now it's 8:30. Right on time. Let's see what's going on over there. Night. Ang gata pagagas.
Hindi yan, permanente nga gasolinahan.
So we are having lunch at Tacloban City in Samar latte in McDonald's. Wooden spoon. Fantastic. Look at the view over there. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.